Hi students, I welcome all of you to this session of Automobile Engineering subject class. Myself Vivekanand Sahu and I am your educator for today. I am a faculty of Bose Mechanical Engineering Department, Cuttack. So we will be discussing the module 7 of your Automobile Engineering subject, which is a subject of 6th semester Mechanical Engineering branch. And we have been already covering all the previous subjects, and we are just about to cover the left out subjects for the today's session. So these are the left out subjects. We are starting with the diesel engine fuel injection system, then its requirement, and then its fuel feed pump and injector, which is the part of the injection system of the diesel engine. Before going to the diesel injection system, I'll definitely show you an animation of diesel engine. This is the animation. This is the whole animation of the diesel engine. So very carefully and very thoroughly observe the animation. You'll find that this total session is the injection system, or you can say starting from the fuel up to the delivering of the fuel. This session is for the injection system, and this system is your engine part, and this is the exhaust part. So we are going to discuss about this session today. That means how to inject the fuel. So guys, before starting the session, we'll definitely know that in diesel engine we have a compressed air as a suction stroke. That means in suction stroke we get into the air inside the engine, and in the compression stroke we compress the air. By the using of the temperature and pressure of the compressed air, we are making a high temperature region, you can say, inside the top dead center, and we are injecting the fuel on the compressed air which is already been heated up, so that the diesel will be burned and will get the expansion stroke. So this is the scenario of the diesel engine. So diesel engine सब important है air को compress करिवा, then ताकू हमें burn करिवा, तार energy को use करी हमें diesel को burn करिवा. So to get the diesel inside the cylinder will definitely require some system. That system is the injection system, which is our topic for today. So guys, starting with the injection system, first of all we'll need to know what are the requirements of the fuel injection system. So fuel injection system रे तुम मानको definitely गोटे बड़ा provision थिबा दरकार जे कि तुम मानको store करिवो, filter करिवो and supply करिवो. Why filtering is very required? Because guys will know we are supplying the raw diesel inside the particular cylinder. अब डीजेल रे बहुत सारा इम्प्यूरिटीज भी थाई पारे, बहुत सारा सूट पार्टिकल्स थाई पारे, या फिर बहुत सारा एमती अनवांटेड पार्टिकल्स या फिर फॉरेन पार्टिकल्स थाई पारे. टू रिमूव दोज पार्टिकल्स वी आर यूजिंग द फिल्टरिंग सिस्टम, व्हिच इज जस्ट ए कॉमन यू कैन से कॉमन फ्यूल filter as in case of air filter. Next, the timing of the fuel injection, because guys will all know that in case of a particular IC engine, we don't require the injection all the time, because we have a 4-stroke to perform suction, compression, expansion and exhaust. So after the compression stroke only, we'll need to put the diesel inside the cylinder. So the timing of the injection also controlled by your this fuel injection system. Second is your control rate of injection, because whenever you are moving your vehicle with a high speed, we need a high rate of injection of the fuel. So to control that means in case of high speed and in case of low speed, we need to control the injection capacities and in the rate of injection as well. So to control that, हमने fuel injection system से total scenario को भी control करता है. Next, it should be properly atomizing the fuel. That means we know that from the concept of heat transfer, if our surface area will be more, definitely we are generating a more equivalent heat, or you can say you are using the chemical energy up to the heat energy more equivalently and easily if the surface area will be more. So ସେଥିପାଇଁ ଆମେ फ्यूल को फास्ट ऑटोमाइज करवा. दैट मीन्स हमें स्प्रे करवा सो दैट फ्यूलटा आटम पार्ट से डिवाइड हो जाए, सो दैट हमको इजीली बर्निंग हो पार या फिर कंबस्टन प्रोसेस इजीली हो पार. नेक्स्ट इज इकोनॉमिकल एंड इजी टू मेंटेन. डेफिनेटली जदि तुम मान सिस्टम इकोनॉमिकली ही नथिबो, बिकॉज वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द आईसी इंजन व्हिच इज इटसेल्फ इट इज अ वेरी कॉस्टली थिंग, इट्स अ वेरी कॉस्टली डिवाइस. सो जदि तुम इंजेक्शन सिस्टम जेते इकोनॉमिकल हो सेते तुम मानको आईसी इंजन नो कॉस्ट मध्ये कमिबो, सो दैट वी आर ऑलवेज ट्राइंग फॉर अ इकोनॉमिकल बेनिफिट. नेक्स्ट इट इज एज टू मेंटेन. दैट मीन्स तुमको मेंटेनेंस में हेल्प करियो, बिकॉज आम गाड़ी को 1 year or 2 year यूज करना, आम गाड़ी यूज करछे फॉर द वी आर यूजिंग द व्हीकल फॉर 10 year or 15 years. सो वी नीड टू मेंटेन द व्हीकल. सो जिते इजी मेंटेनेंस हो या फिर जिते कम मेंटेनेंस हो, विल हैव अ बेनिफिट ऑफ दैट. So next, this is the layout of your injection system. So it is very important to know, guys. I will definitely tell you to take a snapshot or take a picture of this, because it will going to help you in the exam. सो जदि आम दिस इज अ मल्टी पोर्ट फ्यूल सिस्टम दैट मीन्स आम जानचे आम कार या फिर आम ट्रक बसेस दे आर नॉट सिंगल सिलिंडर यूजिंग नॉट यूजिंग सिंगल सिलिंडर इंजिन्स दे आर यूजिंग मल्टी सिलिंडर इंजिन्स अब मल्टी सिलिंडर इंजिन रे जदि सिलिंडर्स बहुत सारा थाए तो डेफिनेटली आम मानकर इंजेक्शन सिस्टम या फिर इंजेक्टर भी बहुत सारा थिबा दरकार सो एठी आम मानकर चारटा इंजेक्टर शो होईची दिस आर द फोर इंजेक्टर्स होईची सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस लेआउट सो आर इंपोर्टेंट पार्ट्स हला फ्यूल टैंक फ्यूल पंप फ्यूल फिल्टर injectors pressure line regulators and return line so we are starting with the fuel tank रा हमने fuel को contain को रखियो up to certain level then हमें fuel pump या फिर sending unit को fuel pump is also called as sending unit तो हमें use करेगी से fuel टा को fuel filter through रे हमें पठेवा injectors को so why this fuel filter is needed I've already been told you that fuel filter is very important to remove all the foreign particles which are not required in a particular diesel सो आफ्टर द इंजेक्टर किसी डीजेल तुम मन लीक हो जाए फिर लॉस हो जाए जोटा कि यूज हुए ना से लॉस या लीक होता फिर न यूज होता डीजेल्स को आम अगेन रिटर्न लाइन देकी वापस नहीं आसवा तुम फ्यूल टैंक को सो दैट दिस इज द रिटर्न लाइन सो दैट तुम मन डीजेल लॉस हो बिकज डीजेल इज अ कॉस्टलीस्ट फ्यूल वी आर नॉट इन अ पोजिशन टू लॉस दैट डीजेल मोर एंड मोर सो आम ट्राए कर से डीजेल वापस पुणी फ्यूल टैंक को पड़ो सो दैट रोटेशन आमर चलो से भाया नेक्स्ट इट इज योर फ्यूल फीड पंप दिस इज द main attraction of our topic for today. Fuel feed pump is generally used to feed the fuel at a particular pressure to the injector and injector is used to inject that fuel. अब why we require a particular pressure because guys जब तुमने ध्यान से observe करिवो जतले तुमने हाई स्पीड रे जाउ था vehicle जतले हाई स्पीड रे मूव करा सो डेफिनेटली तुम सक्शन कंप्रेशन एक्सपांशन एंड एग्जॉस्ट थ्रो भी से हिसाब रे बहुत फास्ट बैनर हम जदि सक्शन कंप्रेशन एंड एक्सपांशन एग्जॉस्ट फास्ट लेव तमन तुमको बार बार बहुत ज़्यादा रेट ऑफ इंजेक्शन को भी बढ़ा पड़ो या फिर यू कैन से दैट द प्रेशर ऑफ इंजेक्शन विल आल्सो इंक्रीज जिते अधिक फ्यूल तुम प्रेशराइज करके पठेब सेते जल्दी तुमको एनर्जी मिलो केमिकल एनर्जी हिट एनर्जी क्विकली तुमको रिकवर हो सो टू notice or to contain all these concept inside it a fuel feed pump is used so fuel feed pump this is the diagram of fuel feed pump this is called as the line diagram this is the line diagram of fuel feed pump a fuel feed pump ro सबुठी important parts हला inlet and spill ports delivery valves plunger and barrel cam rack and helical groove so these are the important parts now so we are starting with the design as far as the design portion is concerned design of plunger is a very important work to do in a particular fuel feed pump a plunger is generally as you look like a piston but piston upare bhi tar gota ame profile draw karta that profile is called as helical groove so plunger basically it is a cylindrical shape solid cylindrical shape device जोटा कि गोटे barrel भितर inserted हेकि थिबो जोटा कि हम next slide से देखिबा so ता चारिपटे आम गोटे हेलिकल ग्रुव कट करते अब व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ हेलिकल ग्रुव आई विल डेफिनेटली गिव आइडिया ऑफ हेलिकल ग्रुव सो जो तुम गोटे पॉइंट को दिस इज अ पॉइंट एंड तुम गोटे पॉइंट को साइमल्टेनियसली दुईटा मोशन दब देन यू विल गेट अ हेलिकल प्रोफाइल माने पॉइंट को आम रोटेशन भी करवा एंड आम पॉइंट को तल को डाउन मूवमेंट भी दबा मीन्स स्लाइडिंग मूवमेंट भी दबा सो लुक एट दिस इज द पॉइंट अब पॉइंट को रोटेशन भी करेंगे एंड स्लाइडिंग मूवमेंट भी देवी टुवर्ड्स द डाउनवर्ड सो इट विल रोटेट लाइक दिस एंड गोइंग डाउन लाइक दिस दैट मीन्स दिस पॉइंट इज मूविंग लाइक दिस दैट मीन्स इट इज रोटेटिंग एंड coming down as well in a simultaneous time so this profile which is generated by the motion of this point is called as the helical groove this groove is cut around the piston or around the plunger you can say next what are the motion of plunger so there are two types of basic motions of plunger present over here for this particular feed pump one motion is the sliding motion which is governed by your cam you know the cam follower mechanism cam is a device which is used to give you the sliding motion by taking the rotational motion as input so we'll see in the next slides by using some help of animations so the next motion is the rotational motion which is governed by your rack because we'll all know guys rack arrangement ro काम होजी तम मानको sliding motion को rotational motion convert करिवो so these are the animations of the motions so guys look very carefully this is the rack which is having some teeth and by using the teeth this rack is continuously giving you a particular rotational motion because rack ro काम होला तम से rotation करिवो that means rack को use करी के हमें piston को rotate करि परिवो around itself around its longitudinal axis so if this is the piston this is the longitudinal axis तो piston टा एभला तम rotate करिवो so what is the benefit we are getting out of this rotation we'll discuss in the further slides so first of all you need to know very carefully जे तम मनकर रोटेशनल मोशन भी आसीबो and at the same time you'll have a sliding motion by using this cam. This is the cam which is used here to give you a sliding motion, because हम जानते हैं cam रो काम होचे sliding motion को create करेगा. So look and observe very carefully, and if you want then you can take a picture of that, so it will help you in a further understanding. Next, so this is actually the broad view of the piston, or you can say broad view of the plunger. A plunger जो profile टा कट है, this profile is actually called as your the helical profile. This is the helical profile. So why we required a particular rotational motion, तो मैंने एक particular diagram भितर बुझी परियो. So take as diagram 1 and diagram 2. This is diagram 1 and this is diagram 2. So diagram 1 रे this is at a particular position, this profile at a particular position, but तुम मैंने rotate कर दलो. Rotate कर साला पर profile टा हल्का सा rightward side को move करी गला. So due to this movement, observe very carefully, distance between this particular point and this profile is here at this point, but at this point the distance is decreases. That means what is happening, what is that point? That point is the spill port. Obviously we are just before 2 slides हमने देखते हैं spill ports कौन. This is spill port, this is the spill port. अब this spill port को मुझे गोटे dot represent करची. So this is the spill port representing by a dot. So जेतेले तमे piston टाको rotate करेबो, distance between the spill port and this particular profile is decreases. For that reason आमन गोटे बहुत ही innovative and interesting phenomenon मिलुछि, जोटा हमें next slide से देखिबा. So only you have to remember, by rotating the piston we are actually decreasing the distance between the spill port and the profile. So now let's start with the working. So at the starting phase the plunger is at bottom. Plunger first तो मानकर bottom side रे थिबो, and inlet port पटो, this is the inlet port, this is the inlet port. अब inlet port side रू तो मानकर fuel entry करिवो up to the plunger. अब जब fuel entry को, fuel is a liquid, it is a liquid. अब liquid तो को it is not solid जैसे से जगह जगह रही जिवो, तो से move करे start करिवो around whole of the hollow sections. So एटा ला तो मानो piston ऊपर को भी move करिवो, किछि spill port देकी भी आरा पटो बाहर जो, but spill port ता तो ultimately जाकी connected हे तो मानो करो diesel tank सहित. तो जहाँ भी spill port देकी fuel move करिवो से जाकी तुम tank रे जाकी rest कर जो जाकी. So it is not our business. But जतेबेले तुम मानो करो fuel जतेले आसीबो inlet port लो से ए सब गुडा को भी fill कर दो. That means inside the barrel या फिर inside the profile also तुम मानो diesel fill हे जो. Now here is starting with the working. Now जतेले तुम माने piston को upward motion दबो, जतेले piston को तुम upward motion दबो. So now piston is at this point. That means inlet port रो fuel आसीबो बंद हे गला. जतेले inlet port रो fuel आसे बंद हे जबो, जेतिको fuel inside थिबो piston ऊपर जेतिको fuel rest करी थिबो already inlet port आसीकी से सेही fuel को compress करी की delivery port को पठेबो या फिर delivery valve को पठेबो. This is your delivery valve which is rest on a spring. अब spring delivery valve को close कर रखी, but तमे piston गाडे compress करछ. जेतले तमने piston को compress करिवो तो ता भीतर जो liquid थिबो तारा definitely pressure increase होबो. So at a particular pressure this total pressure of this liquid will try to compress the spring. अब जेतले spring compress हे जिवो तम मानकर जो गैप आसीबो से गैप भीतर delivery valve देकी तम मानकर the diesel will goes to the injector, and injector सेटा inject हे जिवो, जोटा हम next slide से देखिबा जे injector केमते काम करे. So this is the concept of your fuel feed pump. But other what interesting सब है जेतेबेले तुम मानकर profile, this is the profile, helical groove cut profile. जेतेबेले profile टा spill port रो सामने रे आसी जिवो, so profile भीतर भी diesel थिला, diesel also present in the profile because initial जेतेबेले हम diesel को input करै थिले से profile भीतर भी entry कर जायतिला. So that profile जो diesel थिबो सेटा spill port देकी बाहर को बाहर जिवो. जेतेबेले profile रो diesel टा spill port देकी बाहर को बाहर जिवो, that bottom portion या फिर that profile portion pressure suddenly decrease हे जिवो. So to decrease से pressure decrease हला परे आमनकर जो piston अछि it will again come down and you'll have a complete of your cycle. जेतले piston टा down का जो motion करिवो देतले त मन गोटे suction stroke मिलबो, and by using that suction stroke again next cycle पई त मन को again inlet port open हे जो because piston ऊपर थिला, inlet port close थिला, अब piston down रे अछि, that means suction एक से तळु आस जायछि. So से inlet port रो again diesel को suck करिवो, suck करिक ता भीतर entry कर देबो. So the cycle continues. अब क्वेश्चन आछि से जो प्रोफाइल जो हमरो spill out हे जाउछि हमर जेतिको सब diesels अछि profile भितरे. So what is the important of that, guys? I'll draw one figure for you. So this is your profile. So I'll give you the idea why it is so. So this is the diagram of profile. I'm drawing this section only. So this is the diagram of a profile. So this is profile. Aman janche if a fluid is present around a profile, then it will give you a perpendicular force. So this means the force is applied in this direction. The force is applied in this direction. अब a force तम मान कर there are two components of a force, one is horizontal component, another one is vertical component. So हर एक force रो you have a horizontal component and you have a vertical component. So horizontal components it is not of our business, but that vertical component जे कि piston को upward motion करोथिला अब जितले तम डीजल स्पिल आउट के बाहर को पळेलानी स्पिल पोर्ट भीतर देकी तमन तमर वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट जीरो हो जिवो. दैट मींस पिस्टन को अपवर्ड फोर्स देला वाला केही नांती. इन दैट केस योर पिस्टन विल मूव डाउन. सो आम प्रोफाइल एथि बने थाउ ताकि पिस्टन को आम डाउनवर्ड मोशन प्रोवाइड कर परबु बाय डिक्रीजिंग या फिर बाय डिमिनिशिंग ऑल द वर्टिकल कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फोर्सेस दैट वाज बिफोरली क्रिएटेड बाय योर डीजल इनसाइड द प्रोफाइल. सो दिस इज द यूज ऑफ द प्रोफाइल. प्रोफाइल थिले आमने ताको डाउन को मोशन कर परबो. वंस से डाउन आसिला से सक्शन करियो त मानको अगेन डीजल को सक्शन करिवो थ्रू द इनलेट पोर्ट. So this is your whole story of this fuel feed pump of diesel engine. I'll definitely suggest to take a brief note of all these things I've written here. So now guys, this is the diagram. You have to remember this portion is very important actually. By the profile portion we are actually doing all those things. Another thing, when we rotate the profile, what actually happen, the distance decreases, the distance between the spill port and your profile section decreases. So जेतेबेले त माने डिस्टेंस डिक्रीज कर देलो माने पिस्टन बहुत कम ऊपर जाइथिबो एंड तम स्पिल पोर्टा प्रोफाइल सामने रे आसी जिवो. सो इन दैट केस वी आर डिलीवरिंग ए लेस प्रेशराइज्ड फ्यूल. त माने जेतेला हम फास्ट जो डायग्राम देखैथिले इन दिस डायग्राम इफ टू डायग्राम इज प्रेजेंट इन दिस केस त माने डिस्टेंस एटी कम अछि एटी अधिक अछि एटी कम अछि. सो जोडी डिस्टेंस अधिक थिबो सेटी प्रेशर हमको अधिक मिलिबो एंड जोडी डिस्टेंस कम थिबो सेटी प्रेशर हमको कम मिलिबो बिकॉज़ पिस्टन कम मूवमेंट करू करू ता सामने रे पळे आसबो तमर स्पिल पोर्टा प्रोफाइल सामने रे आस जिवो. सो स्पिल पोर्ट रु प्रोफाइल जो थिबो ऑयलटा सेटा स्पिल पोर्ट दे बाहर को पळेबो एंड योर प्रेशर विल बी डिक्रीज. सो इन दिस मैनर वी कैन कंट्रोल द प्रेशर आल्सो बाय rotating this profile. So this is the importance of rotation of the profile. Now so this is all about your injector. So its benefit is it will give you a very highly pressurized, if you can say varying pressures fuel you can possibly get in this particular device. So tamane adre bahut sara vary kari pariyo pressures ko neki by using the rotation of profile. Now next, so this is the injector portion. After getting out from the fuel feed pump, the fuel or the diesel will get inside into the injector. Ab injector, this is the diagram of the injector. This is the diagram of the injector. You have to remember this diagram. It's very important for you. And the important parts of the injectors are end cap, luck nut, screw, spring and spindle, fuel inlet and passage, injector body, nozzle valve, body and cap. So this is the complicated diagram of your injector. Next, we're starting with the description. The main function of an injector, we know that injector is used to inject the diesel fuel, but not like what it is getting, it is just delivering. First of all, the injector need to split up the fuels into the spray, because we know that for effective burning, spray is required. If spraying is not good, the burning will not be effective. So this is experimental, you can say, or analytical. This is proof that whenever a spray is there or liquid spray is there, the burning will be effectively or efficient than the other cases. So the second is deliver the atomized fuel. That means it will atomize the fuel, or it will spray the fuel. Also it will deliver the fuel as well. Next, what are the designs and working? The spring first compresses the spindle by adjusting the nut present over it. So inside this diagram there is a spring. This is the end cap, this is the spring. Our adjusting screw, then this is the spring. अब हमने ऐटी कौन करेगा, हमें स्क्रू को adjust करी कि spring रा force को हमें control करेगा. So तादर by controlling the spring force, जो ध्यान से तमन्ना observe करिवो, there are three parts. One is spring, one is spindle, another is this nozzle. This nozzle is very important, and from that nozzle we are getting the spray actually. So nozzle and spindle and spring गोटे line रे अछंती. And so spring को ऊपर गोटे screw लागिची. So by controlling the screw, that means giving more torque on the screw will control the spring force. If will give more torque, then spring will also compress more, so that the spring force will be more. If the spring force will be more, this spring will compress this spindle portion and the nozzle portion more effectively, or having with a more amount of force. जेतले तुम माने नट को बहुत ज्यादा टाइट कर दबो, तुम मानका स्प्रिंग रो कंप्रेशन फोर्स भी बढ़ी जिवो. सो से कंप्रेशन फोर्स स्पिंडल एंड योर नोजल को बहुत ज्यादा जोर से कंप्रेस कर रखिवो. एंड इन दैट मैनर जेतले तुम माने स्प्रिंग एंड नोजल को कंप्रेस कर रखिथिबो, आई हैव बीन अरेंजिंग विद दिस एनिमेशन फॉर यू. सब एनिमेशन तुम माने ध्यान से देखो व्हाट इट विल एक्चुअली शोइंग. तो मान दिस रेड पोर्शन इज द फ्यूल पोर्शन. अब हम मानका स्प्रिंग spindle and nozzle compress by the arrangement of your lock nut or nut screw. अब जो तुम मैंने फ्यूल को एंट्री करेबो जेहेतु स्प्रिंग रो कंप्रेसिव फोर्स अच्छी नोजल ऊपर तो फ्यूल आसिकी दिस नोजल सेक्शन फर्स्ट जमा हो फर्स्ट ए नोजल सेक्शन से फ्यूल आसिकी एंट्री करिवो बट जो फ्यूल एंट्री करिवो आसिकी वन पर्टिकुलर fluid mechanics thing happen here, one particular concept of fluid mechanics happened here. Fluid mechanics हमने पढ़ी है, the pressure acts normal to the surface. So I'll draw you the surface of the bottom portion of nozzle. This is the nozzle, this is the bottom portion. It is slightly curved. So I'll draw you the curved portion. This is the curved portion. So when the fluid is entering inside, so it will give a normal force, and the normal force has two components. One is the vertical component, another is the horizontal component. So there are two surface in left and right. This is the left portion, this is the right portion. So all the horizontal forces from left and right will cancel with each other, but the vertical components remain. So that vertical component will be using to lift up the nozzle. अब तो nozzle तमारो lift up है by using the fluid pressure. जो fluid आसी थी वैसे fluid टा एठी पड़े आसो. This hollow section, this is the hollow section, and inside that hollow curved section or hollow concave section, you have a very few diameter holes. Generally varying from 0.15 mm to 0.4 mm, and the number of holes are up to 1 to 8 number of holes. So से holes दे कि जो pressurized fluid जे कि तमन को nozzle को already up उठे देथिला से diesel टा अब entry करिवो से hole दे कि अब hole रो spray है कि बहुत ज़्यादा high pressure and high velocity रे it will go to the combustion chamber. So this is the working of the whole working system of your injector. This is the whole working system of your injector. We are only using the concept of fluid pressure to lift up the nozzle. Next, so these are the reference books I have arranged for you. I have followed them. Automotive Mechanics by Joseph Hettner, a textbook Automobile Engineering by D.S. Kumar, R.K. Rajput. You can take the help of google.com, you can take the help of YouTube's. Now, so these are the typical questions I have arranged for you. What are the components of fuel injection system? Draw the layout of fuel injection system. Describe what the diesel fuel pump in detail. Draw and explain the diesel injector with need diagram. What are the needs of good injection system? So these are the typical questions. So guys, thank you for this session. If you have any kind of doubt, you can write it in my mail. You can any kind of doubt, you can text me in my WhatsApp number. I'm providing with the WhatsApp number. So thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe.
झीटीए तो माटी आम सामाजिक और पारिवारिक जीवनर मूल कथाटी से माने आगकू गले आगकू जीव संसार आम झील मैंने आ पुओंकठू पछरे नाहांती एबे तो बदली गलानी समय बदली गलानी जुग से झील माननकू आहुरी आगकू नहीं आत्मनिर्भरशील और स्वावलंबी करने ओडिशा सरकार सुदक्षा योजन सरकारी आईटीआई माध्यम संपूर्ण मागणार जोगई देउछंती सबु प्रकार उत्कृष्ट मानर वैषयिक ज्ञान कौशलर तालीम एबे आम झील रहिबे सबुठू आगरे सबुठू उपरे
मु सफल मु कुशली मु सुदक्षा